Hey Ray, it's Paul Henderson here. Hey, sorry about not making the video. I've just been overworked and still recovering from COVID-19 complications. Actually, I'm feeling pretty good today finally. And I did have the GM Silverado splash guards installed at the dealership. I was going to do it. I didn't even have the energy to do that. But I will show you a comparison of the two. I do like the Chevy ones better, but then again, they are $60 for the rear and $60 for the front. Yours are $40 for front and rear. Yours are comparable to my WeatherTech ones that I had installed on my 2006 Chevy Silverado back in 2012. It was a used Silverado that I bought in 2012. So anyway, I'm going to do a little comparison video of your splash guards compared to the Chevy Silverado splash guards. So here we go. This is not the original splash guard that came on the vehicle. This is the GM Chevrolet Silverado one that I bought about a month and a half ago. The original splash guard had a screw here, here, and here. The GM one has one way over here that I believe needs to be drilled in, and one up here that just has a special clip. And I know there is one bolt on the bottom that you would need to remove the stock splash guard. So here is your splash guard. The holes do line up. And as you can see from the side, the GM one has a quite bit thicker side profile, and it is the same length. Yours are comparable to the WeatherTech version that I installed on my 2006 Chevy Silverado in 2012. And I wish I could have made the video to show you how easy yours were to put on. But as you can see, it's just those 3 screws, and then of course replace the ones that are on the bottom that you would remove to install this splash guard in its place. This is the GM Chevrolet Silverado splash guard. There was no splash guard on here at all. The only protection you had was this stone guard deflector right here that came along the bottom and wrapped around to the back side of here, all the way over to here. You only need to remove these 2 screws to install it, and there is a piece of tape on the back of here that would stick right here. And I'll do a little side-by-side comparison. As you can see, the GM one is quite a bit thicker. Doesn't go down quite as far as yours. Yours is single walled. The GM Chevy one is double walled. To install this splash guard, you would just remove these 2 and remove this tape from here. Be sure to clean this painted surface right here. There is a special clip right here that would go on the back side of the metal on the wheel well and on this plastic splash guard to hold that in place. So you got this piece right here. This snaps around the metal frame right here. But on the bottom, down here where the original stone deflector is, it's all made out of plastic, but that plastic is a little bit too high for this piece right here to snap over, which is an easy fix. You would just need to put like in your instructions that if it won't snap over that plastic piece, you'll probably have to take a file or some sandpaper and just sand it down to where this will snap over it, because this kind of helps hold it in place. Or they can take a Dremel tool and maybe just slice this whole piece off right here. That's what I was going to do, but I ended up just having these installed at the dealership. This one and yours are made of the same type of quality plastics. They're both very rigid. They don't bend. They do appear to be the same thickness. I don't know if you can see it in the video. If I didn't have these ones, I would have definitely just stuck with yours. But I had got these first, and then when I did the comparison, I decided to go ahead and just go with the Chevy version. Although, for the $40+ for the front and rear, compared to the $120 for the front and rear, I think yours are a much better deal. So here's another side-by-side comparison. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the rear. Okay, so Ray, in my opinion, your splash guards are fine just the way they are. The only issue there would be that one spot on the rear flap that you can't get over, that one spot on the original stone guard, that is the stone guard protector that is on the metal right now. The other thing I would probably do would be that one metal clip for the rear. If you can get it in anodized black, or what do you call that? Where it's specially painted black. I don't know if powder coated black, just so it doesn't stick out so much. Other than that, I think your splash guards would have been a good addition to this truck, but since I already had the GM Chevrolet ones, and with the comparison, I just figured I'm going to go ahead and go with these ones. And once again, sorry that I couldn't do the installation for you. This is 2 days now that I feel, well, this is my 3rd day now. I feel totally awesome. I think I'm over all that COVID complication crap. I'm back to my normal self, so so that's really a good thing. Anyway, so I'm not too sure if this video is going to help, but that's it. So anyway, like I said, your splash guards are fine just the way they are. Just that little issue with that back piece and that clip. And I guess that's it. So anyway, thank you for the opportunity to have the opportunity that I could have had to I don't know how to word it, but anyway, thanks. Bye.